Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Y1 IoT camera keeps going offline again and again, don't worry, this is a common issue and usually very easy to fix. So first of all, the Y1 camera usually works on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. So if your router is set to 5 GHz, the camera may disconnect frequently. So the very first thing that you need to do in order to fix this error is to make sure that you are using the 2.4 GHz network. Now, the second thing that you need to do is to simply improve the Wi-Fi signals. So weak signal is one of the biggest reasons. So you need to make sure that the camera is close to the router and no thick walls or metal objects blocking the signal. If needed, you can move the camera or you can use a Wi-Fi extender. Now, if the power is unstable, the camera will go offline. So you need to check the cable and the adapter. You can also try a different power outlet. Make sure that the connection is tight. Now, if none of the methods are working for you, you can do a quick restart. For that, first of all, you need to unplug your router and wait for 60 seconds. Afterwards, you need to simply restart your camera. This particular step is going to refresh the connection and also fixes the temporary issues. Now, sometimes the outdated software can also cause the disconnection problems. So make sure that the Y1 IoT application is up to date, and you can also check for camera firmware updates. So if the problem continues, you can try removing the camera from the application and then you can add it again. So this step also resets the connection completely. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.